CLILSTORE, an open online platform for multimedia language learning. The CLIL Open Online Learning Project is an Erasmus Plus funded project which began in September 2018 and which will run to August 2021. The project partnership comprises institutions and organisations from Spain, Scotland, Northern Ireland, Denmark, Malta and Italy. The project aims are to design and launch an online learning platform for both teachers and learners, to curate and create model learning units, to create user guides and help videos, to provide training to end users, to conduct research in content and language integrated learning and computer assisted language learning, to build a community of practice around the resources, and to support further innovation. The project website can be found at www.languages.dk. CLIL involves the close integration of language learning aims and subject learning aims within a particular curriculum or course. It has been found to be successful in terms of improving outcomes for both subject learning and the acquisition of additional languages. CLILSTORE aims to help teachers and learners who are engaged in this type of learning. CLILSTORE can be found at www.multidic.net/CLILSTORE. Learners can use the site to search for units by language and learner level. Teachers can visit the site to find or create units. CLILSTORE facilitates multimodal learning. Typically, learners will watch a video or listen to an audio recording. This will usually be accompanied by a verbatim transcript in which all words are linked to online dictionaries. When a word is clicked, a dictionary pane opens up in the right-hand side of the screen. Learners work through the text and AV content at their own pace. Units contain links to extension activities, for example, language exercises, worksheets, websites, or additional reading. The software can also keep a record of all the dictionary consultations a learner makes. When authors create a unit, they provide metadata that assists other teachers and learners. This includes a common European framework of reference-based learner level, the media type and recording length, the TypeScript word count, a descriptive summary of the content, which aids its discoverability by Google search engines, a technical description of the language, for example, speaker speed, speaker dialect, and the type of vocabulary or terminology to be encountered. In addition to this, the software also records the number of times a unit has been accessed and the number of dictionary consultations that have been performed within a unit. The user and author interfaces have been localized for the following languages: English, Irish, Scottish Gaelic, Lithuanian, Bulgarian, Czech, Danish, Breton, Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, French, German, Icelandic, and Serbo-Croat. This list can be extended through crowdsourcing translations of the database strings using our bespoke Smotter interface. Anyone wishing to add an additional language can get in touch with the project team. Each unit created within CLILSTORE has a unique URL. This makes it easy to share the units via Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, email, or even by using a QR code. Users are also welcome to set up dedicated satellite websites, for example the Island Voices website, where content has been arranged thematically. This sample unit has been created for learners of Irish. It features a sound file that has been embedded from the SoundCloud audio sharing website. It is accompanied by a verbatim transcript. Here the word Lergus has been clicked, thereby opening up the dictionary interface. If the user wishes to select another dictionary, they can do so by using a drop-down list. They can also change the target language for the dictionary consultation. We will now look at the unit info, which contains the metadata for this unit. Here we see the unit number, the title, the author details, a direct link to the unit, a summary that has been provided in Irish and English, language notes that have been provided in Irish and English, the unit language, the unit level, the word count for the transcript, the media type and its duration, the date the unit was created, the date it was last changed, the license under which the content has been provided, the number of views the unit has had, and the number of words that have been clicked within the unit. Here are some links to sample units which demonstrate how a range of authors have created units to meet the needs of particular learners. Here is a glimpse of our newly updated website design. This will be going live over the summer months. Please visit the project website and subscribe for updates. You can also get in touch with us directly. We would love to hear from you.